Starting with the individual contents of the alimentary canal. First, after intake of food, the food reaches the oral cavity through mouth. Now the contents of oral cavity are the main contents, teeth and tongue, which are used for mastication of food. Coming to the tongue. The tongue is a muscular organ which is used for mastication of food and also for speech. It is attached to the base of the mouth with the help of a ligamentous structure known as frenulum. In many people, we see slurred speech from the very beginning of their life. It is because of a short frenulum that restricts the movement of tongue, thereby hampering fluent speech. The tongue contains many papilla, that is cup-like structures in which taste buds are present. The types of papilla can vary from species to species and also person to person in certain cases. Some types of papilla are circumvallate, filiform, fungiform and foliate papilla. The next content of the oral cavity are the teeth. The teeth are covered by enamel, which is a calcium containing substance. Enamel is considered to be the hardest substance of human body. Here we can see this is the structure of a tooth covered by enamel. The interior portion is known as the dental pulp, which has the nerves and vessels passing through, and it has the roots for attachment into the gums and the socket. Dentition. There are 4 kinds of teeth in human. The incisors, which can be the central incisors and the lateral incisors. Then the canines, which are sharp and pointed. Then the premolars and then the molars. The dental formula varies according to age. In children, the dental formula is 2102 upon 2102, means in each quadrant of our jaw there are 5 teeth, of which 2 are incisors, 1 canine and 2 molars. There are 4 such quadrants in every human being: upper right, upper left, lower right and lower left. In adults, the dental formula changes to be 2123 upon 2123, that is 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars and 3 molars. However, in some individuals there can be variation, like the wisdom tooth, that is the 3rd molar, might not be present in all human beings. There are 2 main properties of human teeth. The first one is thicodont. Thicodont means the tooth are attached firmly within the sockets of our jaw. The joint between these sockets and teeth is known as gomphosis. And the other property is known as diphyodont. Diphyodont means human beings have 2 sets of teeth. First, the milk teeth or the temporary teeth, and then erupts the permanent set of teeth. Because of the presence of 2 different types of teeth in one single life cycle of a human being, human beings are referred to as diphyodonts.